What if I told you that you could start an online business for just $10 per month with no inventory, no shipping, and no tech headaches? And in this video, I'm going to explain what Daily Ads is, how it works step by step, and whether it's actually beginner friendly without hype or exaggeration. Hi, my name is Yaku. If you're trying to make money online but you're tired of expensive tools, confusing systems, and promises that never deliver, you're in the right place. Let's break this down simply. So, what is Daily Ads? Now, Daily Ads is a low cost online marketing platform that combines advertising tools, funnels and email systems, and an MLM commission model, all wrapped up into one $10 per month membership. Instead of paying separately for funnel builders, email software, and traffic, Daily Ads give you everything in one place. So, what do you get for $10? For $10 per month, you get unlimited funnel pages, an email broadcasting system, built-in advertising to active members, a massive library of proven ad swipes, and access to an MLM-style commission system. There are no upsells, no hidden fees, and no expensive upgrades just to unlock basic features. So how do you make money? This is where most people get confused, so let's pay attention. There are three main ways Daily Ads works. So number one is your referrals. So when someone joins through your link, you earn $5 per month every month that they stay active. Number two is the matrix commissions. Daily Ads uses a 2x5 matrix structure, meaning it's 2 wide and 5 levels deep. You earn from paid members placed in your personal matrix. And number three is using the tools. You can use the funnels, emails, and ads to promote Daily Ads or any other opportunity you want. So the bronze level is the entry point and it costs you $10 per month. Every person you personally refer earns you $5 monthly with no cap. Your personal matrix hosts 62 positions. Once it's full, new referrals go into the global matrix. One important thing I want to be clear about is that spillover is not guaranteed. So you might get people or members promoting spillover. Now it is possible to get spillover, but you should see it as a bonus. Like I said, it's not guaranteed. It depends entirely on your upline's activity. So this is not a sit back and wait system. It rewards action. So take action, get a few people, at least two, and help them get two as well. So there's another membership called the silver membership. Now that you get after bronze, and it's optional but really powerful, and that's where the big money is. So, but you must have bronze active before upgrading. So you can't join silver and not bronze. You need to join bronze and silver. And they run at the same time, and many members use their bronze commissions to help cover their silver cost. Think of bronze as your foundation and silver as a scaling layer. So is Daily Ads good for beginners? Here's my honest opinion. Daily Ads is beginner friendly if you want something affordable, you're willing to take action, and you want tools and commissions in one place. It's not for people looking for instant riches or guaranteed spillover. But if you want a simple system where 2 referrals can already put you in profit, then obviously this makes sense. This is not for you if you refuse to promote anything, you expect passive income without effort, or you're allergic to learning basic marketing. But if you're coachable and consistent, it's a solid entry point. So if you want to see exactly how Daily Ads works from the inside, I've placed a link below where you can explore it yourself. It will bring you to this page. This is a rebrandable page which you can use yourself. There's 3 videos. This is just the entry video, but video 2 and video 3 will explain everything in detail, how the commission structure look, the kind of income that you can make, but it's not guaranteed. It depends on your own efforts. So yeah, you can come here, go to the link, watch the videos if you want to join for free, and to get to the back office of Daily Ads and take a look, you can just click here, and then you can come back to this page and enter your Daily Ads username, and you can rebrand it and have your own link that you can use that's rebranded, and you will have exactly the same page that you can use and share with people. So if that interests you, go to the link below. It will bring you to this page. Watch these powerful videos, and yeah, join and let's get you started. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.